great at TSWREIS Coding Academy.
Good evening everyone, I am Sai from 8th grade.
Good evening to everyone, this is Syria from 8th grade.
So today our project is all about mobile app based coding academy automation. Before going to explain my project, first let me tell you how I got this idea. So as we all know, the technology was evaluating very fast and the home automation is one of the very good aspects in it. So coming to home automation, the person who is staying in the home will operate or automate their house. But coming to schools, offices, industries, hospitals, what about them? Who takes the responsibility? And it is very difficult to operate this. For example, I have taken our school and I have observed some problems and came up with this idea. So this is our coding academy. This is the boys block and this is the girls block. We have 2 blocks and we have so many classrooms and dormitories. So it is too difficult to switch on the electric appliances like fans, lights, etc. Sometimes we may forget switching off the lights, and sometimes the power will went off and we'll forget and we'll come to the classroom. Then the dorms, fans and lights will keep on switching on. And here I have taken the example that is corridors. Sometimes in the corridors we'll forget to switch off the corridor lights and all the way the corridor lights will switch on like that. We will not notice this corridor lights and the classroom's lights. So this is all the problems which we have observed in our coding academy. So I have came up with the idea that is to automate the coding academy. So as I said, we are automating our home. So why can't we automate our school? Why can't we develop an application and automate our school? This is what I thought and I have came up with this idea. So this is the model of our project. Now my friend is going, so here we have used for microcontroller board and mobile application. So we have used mobile application and Bluetooth. This mobile application will send the signals to the Bluetooth. Then this microcontroller will process and here we have LEDs over here. So this LEDs will switch on and switch off. Not only LEDs but also we can operate any electric appliances. Now my friend is going to explain about the components which we have used in this project.
For this model, we are using some electronic components. They are LEDs, Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module. Here the major component is Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module is a transparent wireless serial connection setup which makes an easy way to interface to controller. Automation connects with a mobile app through Bluetooth. So the school automation using Bluetooth with the help of Bluetooth, we are controlling LEDs, bulbs, refrigerators, so on. So my friend gonna So in this project we are automating all the coding academy using one mobile application. So this is the mobile application which we have developed by our own to control the coding academy. So this is the application. And as I said, we have 2 blocks, that is boys block and girls block. So here you can see the boys block and girls block. So now let us click on this. Here you can observe these all are the classes and this is the corridor. So now let us see the practicals. This is the 7th class. Now I am switching on this light. Here you can see the LED is started glowing. And now I am switching off. Now the LED stopped glowing. Next 8th boys, next 9th boys. Here you can observe the automation which we have done with the mobile application. And now you can see the corridor lights. Now I am switching off this. And also you may get one doubt, that is how I will be able to know the light is in on state or off state. How can I do this? If I am in the coding academy, I will control this. But if I am not in the coding academy, if I am outside of the coding academy, how I will be able to know? So for your doubt, I have a solution. That is, here you can see the 2 devices are inactive. Like this, not only you can switch off and switch on, but also you can monitor the electric appliances here. So like this, our application is going to help to automate the coding academy. Then after looking at this, the two devices are inactive. Then I'll go to this application and I'll see this. What appliances are in on state. Then after that I'll switch on this. Like this, the automation is going to work. So same like this, we can control this Gulf block too. These all lights are in on state. Now after this, using this application, I'll off every light. Not only light, we can automate or operate any electric appliances like fans, motors, LEDs, bulbs, etc. Now she is going to explain the applications of this automation.
The application of this automation. So this automation was very useful to everyone, and we can use this automation everywhere, and everyone can use this automation. The applications of this automation. We can use this automation in schools, offices, shopping malls, industries, and so on, hospitals, and so on. So, for example, if there is an apartment, so in that apartment, the watchman wants to control all the apartment. He wants to switch off and switch on all the lights and fans. Then he need to go to all the floors, and he has to off and on the fans and lights. So it was very difficult work, and it was a hard task to him. So to overcome these situations, by using one mobile application, we can automate the whole apartment. If he uses this application, then he can easily automate this apartment. Next, patients and the senior citizens also can use this automation. So if they want to go to switch on and off the lights and fans, then they need to go to the switch and they have to on and off. So it was very difficult to the patients and senior citizens, right? So in this situation also, we can use this automation and we can solve those many problems. So this is the automation which we have done, and it was very useful to everyone. Over to Jansi.
So, like this, our automation is going to work. We have lot of applications for this. Not only schools, she said, we have many applications. We can apply this every day. And also, by this, we can save the electricity. So, if we are saving the electricity, it is mean obviously we are saving the environment. As we know, the electricity will getting from the water and coal and air. So, if we save the electricity, obviously we will save the environment. So, it is really helpful for the future generations as we are automating, as we are learning technology, and also saving the renewable resources and giving to the future generations. So, I hope this project was very helpful, and we'll add some more upgradations, and we'll take this project to the next level with the support of our society